Hi, my name is Aidan O'Brien, and I am the Director of the Tree Care Industry Association Foundation. I'm here today to talk about our upcoming Susan Harwood Grant workshops that will be available at zero cost for the industry. The Susan Harwood Grant is a program that OSHA uses to award grants to organizations like TCIA to provide training and education programs on the recognition, avoidance, and prevention of safety and health hazards. TCIA received a grant specifically to provide safety training to the tree care industry. Our industry is inherently hazardous, and this grant helps TCIA build the capacity to serve as wide a swath of our industry with high-quality training as possible. This summer, TCIA will be rolling out these free virtual workshops on some of our most popular programs, like EHAP, ground operations, and aerial lift safety. These workshops are open to employees of companies with fewer than 250 employees. And did I mention they're completely free? Seats are limited and will fill up fast, so stay tuned for more details. All workshop attendees will be eligible for both ISA and CTSP CEUs. And if you want to know more, click the link below to add your name to the wait list, and you will be the first to be able to register for these free workshops.